Hello, good evening to everyone. Today in this video, I want to unbox these three products which I purchased on Flipkart, and these three are this Pilgrim Keratin strengthening hair mask, and this Pilgrim argan oil hair serum, along with this Asian Future One running shoes for men. This is the running shoes, and this is the hair mask, and this is the hair serum. So first of all, let me open this one. Yeah, this is what the Pilgrim hair serum. So previously I purchased few of the Pilgrim products, so I want to try this one also. This is not a promotional video or anything like that, just for the hair care I purchased this. If you want review or something like that, you can just ask in the comments asking about this product, so that I can do a review video once I use this for at least a month. And if you want unboxing of these two videos, just find the links in the description. Okay, coming to the cost, when I purchased this, it was like 368 rupees. Okay, Pilgrim hair mask. Okay, and this is the one. It got 4.2 rating. That's the reason I purchased this hair mask with such an engine for dry and frizzy hair. Okay, this is of 200 grams. Let me show you the texture, how it looks in the real one. It is written here Keratin and Amazonian powder smoothing hair mask, sulfate and paraben-free for dry and frizzy hair. Okay, let me open this. Okay, I need to take this also. Yeah, this is the texture. Okay, creamy texture. Okay, creamy white texture, and the smell is of scented smell. Okay, if you do have any other questions, you can just ask in the comments. For more details, I'll be tagging this in the view products. To check the details, you can just click on it and check the details. Okay, yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Next, I'll be unboxing this and also the Pilgrim hair serum. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.